Hello everyone! In this video, I will guide you on how to check the status of your immigration application with IRCC. The first and the easiest way would be using your GCK account. To check the status of your application, simply log into your GCK account, check on the application the status of which you would like to check, and there you'll be able to see the details concerning your applications and any messages that IRCC sent to you. Note that if you applied on paper or using your permanent residency application portal, you must first receive a so-called Acknowledgement of Receipt or AOR. Together with that, you will be assigned your permanent residency application file number. You must then link your application to your GCK account using the file number. You will not be able to check the status of your application if you have not received the AOR yet. Additionally, if you have a representative such as an immigration lawyer or immigration consultant, you must know that we submit your application using our own GCK account. You will not be granted access to this account due to security reasons. But please be rest assured that we check that portal on a daily basis and we are responsible to inform you as soon as possible on any updates on your application. The other way to check the status of your application would be using a dedicated tool for this purpose on the IRCC website. To do so, you must choose the type of the application, then enter some personal data, and if all is entered correctly, you will be able to access the progress of your application. Note, based on our experience, this tool is not very efficient on finding your application. The tip here is trying to use different combination of your personal information for a successful result. If you're located inside Canada, you may benefit by contacting the IRCC via phone using their customer service line. When you call in the agent, please make sure you have your personal information such as file application number handy. The IRCC will be able to answer basic questions regarding your application, as well as inform you if there were any messages sent to you by IRCC recently. However, please refrain asking the agent from the questions such as why does it take so long to process application or how long would it take. The IRCC will not be able to answer these types of questions. You may also inquire on the status of your application using the IRCC Webform. On the Webform page, choose the Check Your Application Status option and submit a short form to the IRCC. You will receive the response from IRCC directly to your email within 3 to 5 business days. There is also a relatively new tool created by IRCC named Status Application Tracker. However, for now you will be able to check the status of only certain applications such as express entry, spousal sponsorship, work, study permits, and visitor visa. To check the status of the application, you must simply register an account on the website. Based on our experience, this tool is not yet very efficient and does not always reflect all the information on your application accurately. We hope this video was helpful for you, but if you still have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment. It was Angela, regulated Canadian immigration consultant, specially for Anyvisa Immigration Channel.